Now come to the definition list.html. Hope you are following. We are creating the file also. Now under this definition list file, start from HTML and come inside and follow a body tag right inside again, h1 dl definition list example. Definition list example. Definition list example. Come down. You will start with the DL tag. You will start with the DL tag. After that, under the DL tag, you will follow the DT definition title. DL is the parent element, parent tag. Under that DT we follow. The DT have DT. We have seen one day font tag, if you remember, font. For what purpose? To change the color and to increase the size. Okay. So we will write here. We will write here the font tag. Because the text we are going to display under the DT, we wanted to increase little font size and color. It has a property called color, red color, size, somewhere 6. 1 is the lowest and 7 is the highest. Like 1 will be the smallest font size and 7 will be the biggest font size. So between 1 to 7 range you are giving. More than that or less than that, CSS is going to help us. Okay, now come down. Right inside, question call, where is, you came for some class? No. Okay, you can come and say. Where is Bangalore? Suppose one question, one person posted on internet as a question, where is Bangalore? Let me proper arrange it in this way. Now after that, so this becomes a title, DT. But under the DT, we follow the font tag to increase the size of the text as well as to change the color of the text. After that, we follow a DD, definition details. Under the DD, we follow in Tamil Nadu. One person reply the answer. One more person reply the answer. Karnataka. One more person reply the answer. Maharashtra. One more person reply the answer. In AP. Now, if you run the page, you will find where is the question and where is the answer. Automatically, it will get arranged. Answer will come after a space. Question will come like completely from the front. Front will be question and after some space, your answer will start. That is called a DD, definition details. It can be one line also. It can be multiple line also. Which one? The DD, definition details. Last I follow the TD. It should be DD. DD, definition details or detailed description also you can say. Right? Check once. Any difference you are finding? The text between question and answer.
Yeah, it's like more question is at and answer is little aligned. Answer is at the right hand side.
Answer will be after some space from the left side. Question will be from the very initial, you can say, point. So let me run this file. Something like this. Okay, so this is called DT, your definition title, and this becomes a DD, definition details. We can write multiple line also under one DD. There can be one line, there can be multiple line, no problem. There is no limitation on that. Okay, now come inside again. So one question we follow. Let's follow some more question. So in one DD, in one DL, in one definition list, how many times we can repeat the DT and DD? So just remember, DD will follow the DT. So whenever you have one question, the first question will come and after answer will come. That meaning first the DT will come, definition title will come, and after title, whichever the DT you will write, all will be with the particular DT. So let's go here. Write one more DT. Under this DT, I will follow again font tag and I will use a color property. Will give the value as a green and will give the size property. Will give the size as a 6 again, equal size. Right inside. Job condition in India. Job conditions in India. One question mark for that. Now DD is over. Write the another DD. So this definition details is going to come for this particular question. Okay. Better now. Someone reply better now. Next DD, someone reply improving. One more person reply. Good condition in IT software. Next DD. Someone says okay. So this way you can collect the survey from user. Okay. Like many times you will see in the Facebook also survey will happen. One question will come and for that multiple answers will be there. Okay. So this way we can display a multiple choice question also. One question with the multiple answer and then according to user selection we can capture their response, their answer. Check this page again. The format will remain same as the first format you have the second also will be in the same format. In case for spacing purpose, vertical space from top to down. Like if you want to keep some space between the first set of question and answer and between second set of question and answer, so no problem. Before writing the second DD, we can put a BR here. It can be one BR also, or it can be 2-3 BR also. So one BR is going to give one line break like the enter key. When we press the enter key in our computer, line will get break. Just it will go to the new line. Similar way, BR also do the same. It's a break one line. If you want multiple line break, then many times BR we have to write. 3 times. If you want to line break, 3 times you have to write the BR. Okay, check once. Let me show you what will, you can add any question and any answer. It's your wish. Okay, any dummy text you can add just for the checking purpose. What is the structure? See here, it's like this. Okay, so the condition will, the structure will remain same. One BR I have given before second DT, so one break got applied, and after that you can see it is well aligned automatically. Okay, so this is your DT and DT. Using CSS, we can make it more and more better. It can have more better look and feel. So hope working for everyone. How many people are trying? Can you reply in chat once? Are you writing in the system? Yes, no, you can reply in the chat. See, development work, it is like you have to write the code. Okay, without writing, it's impossible. And if you think like I have no coding knowledge, then who has coding knowledge? Yeah, even no one has coding knowledge. After learning only it comes. After learning only it comes. It's not like predefined something knowledge somewhere. Day by day, one by one, once you start writing, then slowly, your hand will become in the practice. Okay, a person who work in the industry is a software developer. He will say, I have 10-year experience, 5-year experience, 6-month experience. What that mean is, that meaning is the person Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday daily, Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, he has sit in front of the computer 8 hours, 9 hours per day. That is the meaning of experience. And suppose in a day 8 hours, if you are sitting on the system and you are writing something, definitely your brain is not a stone. It is something soft material only. It will understand automatically something, right? So keep on writing. If a developer will stop using his system and after 3 months he will touch the system again, his finger will feel like he has missing something. He is missing something. He has forgot something. Okay, but the same person daily he is implementing something, he will remember automatically. Okay, so many calls comes here in Info Campus. People will say, I am from mechanical, I am from triple E, I am from different background, I have no coding knowledge. Definitely, how you will have coding knowledge? You have learned something else, right? So next matter is we need to learn it. Okay, so learning comes from the daily. It will not happen in one day. With patience, we need to write daily one by one, one by one, one by one. Keep collecting, you will have a lot of knowledge. Okay. Okay. So hope this file is ready for all.
CRM, one thing. So if we have this line number 18 at 23, but still it is working. Means it will not give any syntax error or as we have this.
HTML. If you forget the closing tag also, suppose the DD I have written here. DD. If I forget the close also, no problem, it will work. But it will work only in HTML. In the future, once you merge with other technology, it will not work.
Okay, okay.
Another thing is that here, suppose I started DD with the capital and I am closing with what? A small. So in the term of HTML is okay, it will work. But further, once you merge with some other technology will start following the document structure. It will start checking whether your DOM is proper formed or not. It will start checking the case sensitive. It will start checking the dependent, independent. Okay, so that time it will give you the problem. Okay, see here, whether you open the capital DD or a small dd, in the term of HTML both are same, but in the term of CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, XML, JSX, both are different. Okay, because those technologies are case sensitive, and only HTML you are not going to use, you are going to merge with all. Correct.
Yeah.
So habit should be better from beginning only. It should not be anything open and anything closed. No, that is the wrong habit. So proper open and proper close. If HTML is clear, then definitely further will be helpful for you. Okay. So we'll not have the wrong practice. Better following the. That is called a parent element and child element. Parent element and child element, what is the meaning? Like suppose a son is out of control of his father, what will happen? He cannot get all the benefit of the father. If the son is in the control of the father, father will give all the benefit to him. Right? Maybe son is doing excellent, that is the next matter, but still he is not going to get the benefit of the father property. In the term of HTML, suppose one DD is out of the DL, right? And in the CSS, if you apply the CSS for those DD who is under the DL. And if DT is outside, what will happen? It will not apply. Suppose example, this DD I cut from here and I pasted here. And in the CSS, we write an algorithm pseudocode saying like, apply the color to blue to those DD that is under the DL. Where it will apply? It will apply for this.
Yeah.
It will apply for this, but it will not apply for which one? Last DD, because that is out of the. Okay, so in the CSS, we have 5 type of rule to write the CSS. One CSS called CSS by tag name, CSS by tag group, CSS by you can say class, CSS by ID, and one is called CSS by parent and child. Okay, that is called tree node somewhere. Okay, so if you want to reach to a particular child, we have to address to his parent, then we have to address to his parent, then we have to address to his parent. Okay, suppose if you want to reach till this DL, what you have to do? You have to first talk to the DL, right? DL, and then only you can reach to the DD. So this is the one level. It is not only one level. This can be multiple level also. Okay, so in that way, if you are writing outside, your document structure will be wrong and it will not form the proper DOM. DOM, like this, those are the internal technical word. Okay, it will not form the proper DOM. So in that case, your other technology will get failed. Okay. Now hope clear. Come to the next file. Now we are going to see how to link the pages. First month Notepad++. First month Notepad++. Second month onwards. Second month onwards. Visual Studio, VS Code. First month Notepad++ only. Okay. Go next. After that, now right here. On internet, you have seen already. When you go to the any website, you click on different pages. When you click on different page, it will go from one page to other page. Sometime when we click on the page, new tab will open. Remember, new tab. Sometime new window will open. Sometime pop-up window will open. On the current page, one more pop-up window will come. Right. So those hyperlinking plus hyperlinking, like linking one page to another page, plus the type of target, like the when you click on the link, the page will open. But question is where the page will open. Okay, is a new tab or pop-up window or what? Okay, so those all come under the anchor tag. Anchor tag. Tag name is called anchor tag. So you can write here how to link the pages in HTML. How to link the pages in HTML. So we have a tag called anchor tag. Their syntax is like this. href. Okay. Under the href, you have to set the file name. Okay, which file it should go. Like when the people will click on a link, where it should go. So you can say here called next file name .html. Next file name .html. On which page you want to go. Then you can write here text for link. For link, you have to provide some link so that user will click on that, some text, and then you will close the a tag. It's called dependent tag. Okay, inside this we have again multiple type of other property. For example, title. Next called target. Okay, ahref equal to file name, title equal to something, target equal to something. Now come down below. Now A is called anchor tag. A meaning is what? It's called as a, it's tag name. Tag name. Okay. Next, after that, href is what? Href is the property name. Property name. For what purpose? Property name to set path. Path means which page you want to go. Title what represent. Title is for the digital marketing purpose. Like suppose on internet when you search something, lot of pages will come. Okay, in that E tag plays an important role. In the E tag, the title what you are writing, it has a good meaning. The Google, the search engine will understand your hyperlink if you have given the title. If you have not given the title, the search engine will confuse this link you have given for what purpose. Like suppose you have, okay, so let's make a definition first. This is for what purpose? For digital marketing. For digital marketing. If you want your page should come in the Google search, you have to follow the rule of the digital marketing also. So their title implement the major role. I will show you why and where you are going to use the title. Next called target. Target is for what purpose? When we click on a hyperlink, next page will open. That is true. So when the next page will open, where you want to open? You want to open a new tab, you want to open a blank tab, or for take the example of Gmail. Everyone have used a Gmail. When you go to the Gmail, if you remember, when you click on sent item in the left hand side, by default inbox will come when you click on sent. Where we click in the left side. The content will change where? In the right side. Remember or not? When you click on spam, what will happen? If you click in the left side, content will change where? In the right side. Okay, similar way. In some website, if you click on a link, what will happen? It open a new tab also. Blank tab also. In the Facebook, if you click on any one post, suppose a person has posted the photo. If you click on that, pop-up window will open there only. Right? So those are called, those are all the game of this A tag, hyperlink tag. Okay. In fact, we can do through the this one JavaScript also. We can do through the jQuery also. But behind all this technique, the bottom, the main formula come from the A tag only. Okay. So we wrote called target. What it do? It used to set. It used to set location of next file. It used to set location for next file to be open, like where the next file will open. Okay, it used to set the location for next file to be open. Example is a new tab, blank, target, or so it is of total 7 types. The target we have 7 types. Okay, so hope you got the meaning of this online. Now we'll create an example, and in that we will see okay how the A tag works. Okay, so create two file. You will create two file. One file name called page 1. Okay, page 1. Page 1.html, and create one more file, page 2.html. While creating hyperlink, if you will not give the title tag, the Google search engine will throw one warning. It will say like in your particular page, the title, the E tag you have used, under the E tag, title is not there. The text you have written, the text for link, this is for user purpose. User will see and they will click on that. But you have to give a proper meaningful keyword, 4-character keyword. You have to give a meaningful 4-character keyword that is a title that represent to the Google. This page is linking to some other page. So the title will represent why you are linking. What is the meaning to link? Like suppose in the page, there is a link called Java training in Bangalore. If you click on that, it will go to the Java page. Now Google will understand you are clicking. It will go to the next page. That is fine. But what is the purpose you are going to the next page? So the purpose is Java training in Bangalore. People will search in Google Java training in Bangalore. So what will happen? The keyword will represent your page. Yes, in the particular website there is a hyperlink that represents Java training in Bangalore. So Google will link to which page? Particular page, and that page will come in Google search. Okay, so that meaning the title is used. Okay, so save now. Created two page 1.html, page 2.html. Okay. While creating the files, don't give a space. I have written for that purpose here only. You may do the mistake. So page 1, no space. Page 2, no space. Okay, just give the file name without space. Give the file name without space. Give the file name without space. It should not be. Okay, there should not be spaces. Okay, now after that, hope two files are ready. Page 1 and page 2. Page 1.html. At the same time, create one more file, page 2.html, page 2.html. Okay, oh, both pages are ready. Okay, go ahead next. So you will be writing in this file just simple linking. Okay, HTML open close. Now follow the body tag. Under the body tag, one h1 tag will write. H1 tag will write. In this h1 tag will write. This is from page 1. This is from page 1. This is from page 1. Okay. Next, after that, paragraph used to display the text data in web page if the text is more than 130 character. Okay. So ABCD, we are going to write 2-3 lines. ABCD. Okay. Now suppose one line I have written. This line, the requirement is to copy and paste this line 4-5 times. The requirement is to copy and paste this line 4-5 times. Then in that case, if you are using the Notepad++, keep your cursor at last end of the line. If you are using the Notepad++, other editor you have to copy paste. In Notepad++, keep your cursor at end of the line. Hope you kept that, and press Ctrl D. Ctrl+D, it will copy paste, duplicate will happen. Ctrl D you can do many times. Okay, and put one BR in between, so it will not display completely multiple lines. Multiple line will get ready, maybe 2-3 line will come. BR you can add a number of time, no problem. Now come below. Control D I follow. So suppose this line we wanted to copy paste. I kept my cursor at the end point and I press the Ctrl+D, so that line got copy paste many times. Okay. Now after that, come in the last after the paragraph, follow the A tag. A tag. Okay. After that, under the A tag, href will come. href, href. Right here, go next. Go next. So when the user will run this page, user can see a link called go next. Once he will click on the go next, it will redirect to the next page. That is called page 2.html. Page 2.html. It will redirect to the next page. That is called page 2.html. Page 2.html. Page 2.html. Now inside we will add one more property, the title property. Title property. Okay, inside the title property, well, I'm doing some construction work. Okay, inside the title property, we'll write here, I click here to go next, or maybe click to go next, to go next. But this will not be only click to go next. It will be something meaningful line, meaningful, you can say sentence, maximum of 4 words that represent why you have given this hyperlink. Okay, this should be the title equal to should be up to four words, and that 4 words represent why you have given this hyperlink, and that is not even for human purpose, it is for the search engine. Okay, the digital marketing, when you promote this page in the Google search, that time the Google bots will come in your page, and the Google bots will check, are you following the proper standard or not? So if you are following the proper standard, then your page will get indexed, and when the people will search in Google, this related to these 4 keywords, your page will come in Google search. Okay, that is one point to market the page, that one point to promote the page. Like that, there is 100 methods. Okay, so this page is ready. Save the file, run it. If you click on go next, simply it will redirect to the next page. That is your page 2. Target property we have not written this. Target property will follow, but after some example. Generate is the hyperlink. Go next. It should generate the hyperlink or go next. Let me run this file. See, it's coming here. Go next. Just move your mouse on the hyperlink and wait for half second. It will say click to go next. Right? You can see the tooltip. Its technical word is called tooltip. Tooltip text. When I move my mouse here, it's showing like click to go next. Click to go next. That is called tooltip. Technical word is called tooltip. And the message is coming inside, that is called tooltip text. In the jQuery, we have a function called tooltip. Using tooltip, what you can do, when the mouse will go here, in the right side, one balloon kind of box will open, and in the balloon box, this text will appear. Click to go next. Okay, that is a feature of jQuery. Tooltip text. Now come to the next file. Next file, that is called page 2. So hope this page is ready. Page 1.html, you have written some paragraph, inside you given some hyperlink. One hyperlink, that hyperlink representing, once we click here, it will go to the page 2.html. Okay, suppose your file name is page 2 without a space. Here also you should write page 2 without a space. Okay, go to the next file, page 2 file. In page 2 file, you can start from HTML. Page 1 is ready. What you have written? Okay, then we'll go to the next file, page 2. In page 2, you will start again from HTML. You should follow the body tag. Under body tag, you will write here called H1. H1, keep inside. This is from page 2. This is from page 2. And add one extra property in this page, that is called BG color. BG color, COLOR. In the programming, the color spelling is different, COLOR. Okay. In the day-to-day life, you write the COLOUR, but here you have to change a little habit. COLOR. BG color, no space, is a single keyword, single property. Okay, now come below to that, write paragraph. Paragraph, you can use multiple paragraphs. Suppose one paragraph I wrote. Okay, next one more paragraph we can write. Some text. ABCD, ABCD. Again, one more paragraph. In this paragraph, we can increase the text little, 3-4 lines. Any text you can write. Control D, you can press. Copy paste will happen. Control D, we can do. Copy paste will happen. Next, after that, after that, you will write a href. You will write a href again to back to the previous file. BG color, no space. Oh, BG color, BG color, write orange color. Some color name you can write here. Color name or color code. Color code, how to pick will guide you. Just write any color name, which color you like. Okay, ahref equal to. Now from the page number 2, we want to send to the page number 1. So we can write here page1.html. Page1.html. And we can write here called go back. Go back. Okay, hook written. Go back. You can write here again some text as a title. Title equal to click to Click to go back. Click to go back. Now run the page. Your both the page will hyperlink, page 1 and page 2. On the click of the links, it will redirect you from one page to other page. Page 1 to page 2, page 2 to page 1. Please run test once. Let me know also, yes, working or not working. Both the pages should work properly. Okay, so hope working. Let me show you also. This page I'll run, page number 1. Click go, go next. Will redirect to the second page. From second page, go back. Will come to the first page again. So this is redirection is happening. It is simple hyperlink without any kind of target. Okay, without any kind of target, it is happening. Without any target, it's happening. Target property, maybe we will see after 1 or 2 more classes. By then your level will increase little, you will come up. Okay, so this file again we are going to leave now, page 1 and page 2, and hope it is working. Now next we'll see call. Okay, so on internet from Twitter onwards, when you are browsing the page, if anywhere hyperlink is there, maybe button also, maybe anywhere you click and it's go to the next page, what should come in mind? Which tag should come in mind? E tag, 100% E tag. Okay. In case if it is happening through JavaScript, in JavaScript also we have a function window.location.href. JavaScript also call this property only. Which property? href. E tag also call the property called href. Okay. So in some website, link if you click, it will not happen directly. It happen through the JavaScript redirection. You will click on the link, request will go to JavaScript. JavaScript will use the href property to redirect from one page to other page. Okay. In that case, you will feel like I clicked and it took some time to redirect. Okay. You will see in some pages, if you click on hyperlink, it will take some time to redirect. That meaning is what? You clicked, the request went to JavaScript. JavaScript took some time to redirect. Okay. Some places you will see as soon as you click, redirection will happen. Okay, so those happen through the HTML directly. So everywhere we will be using the href property with the e tag or with the JavaScript with the function another. Okay, save that. Now come to your developer guide again. So in href we have list of target property. You can make a note after 2-3 classes. Once your level will come up little, then we'll work on that before learning the frame set. Okay, right here. Target, what is the meaning of target? We are written here. It used to set the location for next file to be open, like where the next file will open. For that, you set the location. In current example, what you have written, look at here. If I go to this file and when let me close other tabs. This is 3 tabs was there, I close that. Okay, so in current tab the file is coming, that is called page1.html. Now when I click on the link in current tab only, the next file will appear. Look at here, the tab is same, if I click here the new tab will open. So tab is same, in the same tab the next file got appear. Again if you click on go back, the tab is same but the file got changed, right? So in this case, this is called target equal to self. Target equal to self. If you click on hyperlink, the next page will appear in the same window, that is called target equal to self. Okay, so that way we have total 7 types of target. So we will write a note here. Further after 1 or 2 class we will implement it right here. Type of Naukri.com, if you remember. Okay, in Naukri.com, if you remember, today you can check it. Okay, today you can check. When you search something, any job, any location, anything, lot of records will come. Okay, lot of records will come. When you click on any job link, it will open a new tab. Okay, you can check today. If you click on the second job details, job link, it will go to the one more tab. If you click on one more job list, it will go to the third tab. You can check today. Okay, so that is called target equal to blank. Whenever you click on hyperlink, it will go to the new tab, and new tab. Okay, so like that we have 5-6 more. So right here, type of target, and that play a major important role to make your application slow or fast, because data come indirectly from the backend, right? So in that case, the target property is going to play a major important role that can increase and decrease the performance of your page also. How that will be, we will be understanding after 1 or 2 class. Okay, type of target. Okay, we have one target called underscore self. Okay, we have another one is called underscore new, underscore blank, underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore child, and then another one is called not underscore, it's directly called top, and next is called user defined. User defined, like we can create our own target also. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are predefined, given by the HTML. The 7th one is called user defined. So where we are going to learn, we'll learn in HTML frame set example. In HTML, we have a topic called frame set. Using the frame set, one screen, one body, one HTML page, you can divide into multiple blocks. Okay, that will be called as a frames. Okay, so like that will be called as a frames. So that will happen. There we will be implementing the user defined target. So that's 6-7 type of target. Okay, next after that, after the hyperlink, the next term we have under the HTML, that is called table. When you are going to display the data, when you have a lot of customer details, when you have many type of details, bulk data you can't display line by line, so you have to organize properly, and for that HTML has given a feature called table. That come the collections of row and columns. Row will be there, columns will be there, and then we will combine the row and column and will display the list of data in the meaningful format. So right here, a structure of table in HTML. Okay, first we can write type of table. How many way we can write the table in HTML? Type of table. Okay, we have two. According to HTML4 we have one, and according to HTML5 we have another one in HTML4, and another one, second one in HTML5. HTML5. in HTML4 and in HTML5. HTML4 and HTML5. Okay, so as per the HTML4, what is the structure? You make a note. Structure. You will feel like HTML4 is useless. No. 90% codes are come from the HTML4 only. 80 to 90% code in your web application come from the HTML4. Structure of table. Okay, structure of table. How that look? Okay, so in table, the first tag will be called table, and when we say sub element will represent inner level tag. Okay, today you have written the DL, definition list. Inside the definition list we have two sub element. One is called DD, another one is called DT. Okay, so sub element whenever comes, we should feel okay, it's inside. We should use inside only. We should not use outside. So table is the main element and it has sub element. One is called caption, and one more is called TR. You can say the table row. Inside the table, when you display the multiple lines, that call is a rows, one by one vertically. Table row. So caption will get end here itself. The TR will continue next. TR will have some further sub element. TR will have again sub element. What are those? That is one is called TH, table heading. You can write here called table heading. Table heading. T head is different. If you have some idea on HTML, don't confuse. T head is different. Table heading is different. Okay, TD, table data. So total how many tags? 5 tags. Okay, caption and TR will never come without table. Whenever you are writing the caption or TR, you must use the table. Inside the table, you can write the caption and TR. Without table, you should not use the caption and TR. If you are writing the TH and TD anywhere, without TR, it is difficult. It's an unstructured document. So TH and TD is a part of TR. TR and caption is a part of table. Okay. Now when we write next, we will follow this structure. Write few properties for table, then we'll create example. List of property and value in table. List of property and values in table TR, TH and TD. Combinedly we wrote for. Okay, list of property in table TR, TH and TD. HR, if you remember, we have followed day before yesterday, previous class, Friday. Today we have followed one property called A tag. In the E tag, there is a property called href. Href is the property of E tag. Okay, similar way, when you are writing the table tag, TR tag, TH tag, TD tag, you have to use the property and value. Then only your table will be aligned, plus it will represent the content according to need. Else it will go in the default structure. Okay, so let's write few property only, not much, and then we'll implement and see. When the align property will come, whenever align words come in front of you, align word have following values. Align is the name of the property. Align either left or right or center. Okay, left, right, center. So where? Not top and bottom. Top and bottom is different. Okay, if we extend somewhere, people will say shift left. So what will happen? We will align in the left. We will say okay, shift right. So what will happen? We align in the right. So align property will represent Horizontal align. Horizontal means where either left or right or center. So for align we have three values. One is called left, another one is called right, another one is called center. Okay. Next property we have, you should write here only V align. V align. V align represent vertical align. Whether you come in the top or come in the middle or come in the last. Okay. So it has three value. One is called top, another one is called middle, and another one is called bottom. Top, middle, bottom. Okay. Default is middle. Default is middle. Okay. Write the next property. Border, when we write, what we will understand? Lining. Border one represents the lining surrounded. Okay, so no need to write anything for that. It's come in the number will work on that. Okay. Next, we'll add one more property that is called cell padding. Cell padding. What it will help you? Cell padding. It is also based on number only. Cell padding equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. But right inside where you are going to use that, it used to apply a space. It used to apply the space it used to apply a space inside th comma td. Inside represent, if you have a th, inside the th, if you want to give the space, you will use the cell padding. Okay, so based on this four property, we are going to create one table and understand how the table and what is the structure of that and how it looks. Right, so create a file, give the file name table1.html. Till here you will create example table1.html. Table1.html. Okay, so create a file in your HTML folder or wherever you are creating. Give the file name table1.html. So this is the alphabet of your HTML. Okay, keep in mind these all are the ABCD of which one? Web technology. ABCD of web technology, not 1, 2, 3 and something else. See, first we need to have a characters, alphabets, then we need a words, then we need a sentence, then only you can write the paragraph. And after writing the paragraph, we can create the pages. Okay, so you are where as of now? You are at the alphabets point. You are writing the alphabet as of now of web technology. After learning the alphabet, we will learn how to create words with some rule regulation. Okay, then we will learn how to create a sentence according to need, based on rule, based on how to form the words and sentence. Okay, then we will start learning how to create a paragraph. Okay, not this p tag. Okay, paragraph in the sense what? Collection of many things together. Then you will start creating the pages. So still you are far away, not very close by. Okay, so let's learn one by one. Okay, so let's go ahead. So table1.html file is ready. Make sure you should not forget this. Okay, see the notes I'm writing very clean and clear way. If you are writing, your hand will be in the good practice. While writing itself, you will remember. Write it, it's important. I'm writing for your purpose. I have many folders, multiple batches. In all folder I've written like this. Still I'm writing so that you can write. If I'm writing, you should write. Okay, I'm writing for your purpose only. If I write, you will write it. If you will not write, you will not write it. Okay, let's go ahead. Table1.html file. Okay, HTML, then body. We'll align table as a, okay, we'll align in the center. So we'll see the align property also. Let's write it table tag open and close. Okay, so till now, whichever the page you have created, every time we are following the body tag, every time we are following the HTML tag, right? So body is the main container. Body is the main container. HTML is the root element. Okay, HTML, right? We have written first line, and once we run this page, these people are making some sound. Construction work. Okay, so when you will run this page, your browser will come inside and compiler will start reading from the top. Okay, so as soon as the first line of HTML will come, your compiler, your browser, whichever the is there that is going to execute your code, they will read and they will understand, oh, this document belongs to HTML, right? And after that, your browser will convert the way of parsing into HTML mode. Page execution will be fast. If anyone, if in your mind is running, why I'm writing the HTML? Without HTML also it will work, no problem. But you are instructing to your compiler, you are just guiding to your compiler saying like, once your compiler will come at the first line, the compiler will read the first line saying like HTML. That meaning the compiler will understand, oh, this document belongs to where? HTML. Okay, so the compiler can read HTML also, PHP, browser can read HTML also, PHP also, Node.js, all kind of file the browser can read. Okay, so other type of file may take some extra time to read, but HTML will take quick time to read. Okay, it will not take long time to read. So your browser will understand, compiler will understand the first line itself, oh, document belong to where? HTML. So the execution will be fast. If you will not write the first line, still your page will work, but you will be putting extra burden to your compiler, saying like, I don't know what is the document. Compiler will read the content, then they will understand, oh, it's HTML. Okay? So before reading, we are saying, okay, the document belong to HTML. You convert your way of parsing into HTML mode. Execution will be fast. Okay, let's come. So for table, we have added a property called align. We'll follow here. Align as a, let's put as a center. Center spelling is again different. CENTER. CENTER, center. Okay, align equal to center. Put a border also here. Border equal to 1. Come inside now. So inside the table, which tag should come first? Caption. Okay, caption should come. Inside the caption, you write here customer details as a heading of your page. Customer details. So once the page will run, in the beginning of the table, in the first line of the table, one line will come as a customer details. Now come down below. After caption, what we should follow? According to document, according to this notes, after the caption, we should follow the TR tag, and under the TR, TH and TD depend. Okay, so we'll follow a TR here. Under the TR, I will follow both the combination TH and TD. TH called table heading. You will write inside full name. Second TD. Write some name. Write one more TR. TR. TH. Mobile number. Follow a TD. Okay. Add one more TR, then we'll check the page. TH. City name. TD. Okay, save the file, run once. Border will appear, table will appear with a very compressed table with no much spacing inside, and in the according to content it will take the size. According to content it will take the size. Check now, run once. Okay, ready? Next, after that, write it, run once. Table is ready. Check now. Simple, a small table, compressed completely. Okay. Now let's go. Add the next property called cell padding. Cell padding. Cell padding is like it will apply the space inside the TH and TD. So inside the TH, what we have full name, TD we have Mr. Ramesh. So surrounding the full name space will apply, surrounding the Ramesh space will apply, surrounding the mobile number space will apply, surrounding the mobile number this space will get applied. Okay. Cell padding equal to put here somewhere 15, 15 and then check once. Cell padding equal to 15 and check once. Space will get applied, sufficient space will get applied inside the TH and TD. Table got resized, cells is space inside. Now between two cell you have no space, space you have inside. Between two cells, between TH and TD, if you want to apply the space, that come from the cell spacing. This cell padding is called as a padding in CSS. Here in HTML we have called cell padding. In the CSS is called as a padding. There we have 5 types of padding. Here we have in HTML we have only 1 type. In the CSS we have 5 types. Under the Bootstrap is a 25 types. 25 way you can apply the padding. In the CSS we can apply total 5 ways. Left, right, top, bottom and all. Bootstrap says like according to need I have made 25 classes. What you want, where you want, all will fulfill your requirement. Just use the class. Okay, let me check now. How it is resized? Something like this. Mobile number is living from top, left, right, bottom is exact 15 pixel gap. Okay, this Ramesh is living from top, left, right, bottom equal space, that is called 15 pixel. Increase to somewhere 35, 40, then see the table will be bigger size. Border you have given 1 pixel, convert into 50 pixel. 50 is 1 is nothing but 1 pixel. 50 will be complete. Check now how it is happening. Number you have given, you can change the number and see what is happening. Table look will get changed completely. Table look will get changed completely.
Halfway it's coming black and halfway it's coming gray.
It's come like this. 1 pixel border will be inside, remaining will go outside. You are given 50. So this all are 50 font size. The space here is called 50 pixel. Okay. Here the cell spacing, cell padding you have inside. Ramesh is living surrounding 35 pixel. That is called cell spacing. Right. Outside is coming. That is called border. Okay. So equal border if you want to apply inside also, outside also. Like how 50 pixel is 30. We have given 50 pixel as a border. The border, all the border went outside. Only 1 pixel is inside. So for that we have multiple option again. We will be working on it. Okay. Check now. Hope working for all. Another thing to inform you, like working for how many people? Check once. Let me know. Yes, no. Okay, working for many people. Okay, next is like when we started 3-4 days over, right? Second or third?
We have started on second, sir.
Second we started. And here, okay. So what you should do is, I have given you that link to fill the form, the feedback form. It was here in infocampus.co.in. 14 people has filled the form. Remaining also need to fill today, and then they will ask you to for the registration process. So whoever are planning to continue, they should complete that part. I will give the link again, infocampus.co.in/demo. Here you can fill again. If you have not filled this form, please fill that, and then infocampus.co.in/demo. This form you need to fill that, and after that, once you fill the form, they will call you for the fee, or you want to continue or not. They will ask the feedback. Okay, you can plan it, and in case the call is coming from this number 8841 66608, or maybe this number 97405570558. Okay, you should pick the call and you can discuss with them, because after 3-4 classes, mostly they will give me a list. They will give me a list and they'll say this many people are planning to continue. So while login, allow them only. So the Zoom link is same always, but according to rule and regulation, I need to go ahead. So the HR will give me today list of the people saying like we discuss with this many people, they want to continue, allow them to log in. Whoever had attended, if some people have logged in today, first class, second class, no problem. You can also fill and you can continue. I don't take care of the fee process, brother. There is some other person who can ask you the fees and all. Whoever the name will come to my list, I will allow them to log in. So these numbers are there. If you have any query after 11 o'clock, you can call here. After 11 a.m., you can call on this number, call and discuss. Okay, after 11 a.m., you can call and discuss. If anyone has joined today, if you have some query, you can call on this number and you can discuss. After 11 o'clock, the person will be available. And if you are attending last 3-4 classes, you have understood, yes, you should continue or not. You can discuss with them and then plan. And then WhatsApp group we will be creating today, and whoever names will come today finally. And then this 3-4 classes video I will share you today only, somewhere 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. You can go ahead. Okay.
Actually, I submitted the link which you have sent, so I need to change the mail ID. So can I do that?
You can resubmit again.
Okay.
Read again the form, submit with the proper details. Duplicate will
Okay.
be there. You can write in the message box, keep this email, the previous one you can delete. They will understand previous was the wrong email.
So they can take this as a priority instead of that.
And yeah, you can add in that, please take this one, is my correct email ID, delete the previous one.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.
Okay, so some people has given the feedback also. So you're okay. So another thing, like we are going on, shall I increase the speed or decrease the speed, or speed should remain same? You can reply in the chat. Speed same, or do the plus plus means increase, or do the minus minus decrease, what we should do? You can reply in the chat, same, plus plus, or minus minus. Plus plus means just one step fast, minus minus means one step slow.
So go with the same flow which you're continuing now.
Reply in the chat. In the chat you can send a message. Other people are also there, they can just write in the
Hello.
hello.
Actually, I am joined today. Since how many days demo class is going on?
3-4 days, 3 days, I guess. Friday we have second we have started. Second we discussed. Third we started making the notes. I will share this file, developer guide. Some example we have created.
Okay, actually,
Third and fourth.
where-
Third, when was the third? Third was Thursday. Third and fourth, you have missed out 2 classes. Saturday, Sunday was the holiday. Friday we
Okay.
started. Wednesday we started second. That was just discussion only. Thursday we make some.
Okay.
Friday also we made some example. And today you already joined. So this third and fourth you have missed out.
Okay, so 2 days I missed, I think so.
We have video.
Today also
So we'll give.
today also I joined lately.
Today I will be sharing the video with everyone. So the URL
Okay.
I have given, you can fill that form. I will send you the examples plus video, everything. You can-
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. In the office, they will available after 11 o'clock only.
From 11 o'clock they will be available.
Okay.
Okay, then we can log out. See you tomorrow.